Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Chee-Wee and I'm the module leader for your dissertation project module. Now this video will start you off by explaining how we're going to allocate your projects to you. Now before you can be allocated a project, you need to know what projects are available to you. Now every year, lecturers will provide a project that they are interested in and we collate them together for students to choose from. As there is a wide selection of projects, we're hopeful that you'll find something that actually interests you. The type of projects offered will vary from year to year. The projects may consist of data collection, where you collect the data yourself, or secondary data analysis, where data is already available and your job is to dive into the data and interrogate it with an appropriate research question. Or systematic reviews, where you choose a systematic review topic and conduct a review. One thing to bear in mind is that these projects are offered every year and they may change. Therefore, the selection and type of projects will vary. For some years, you may find that there are only systematic reviews, and for some years, you may find that there are also secondary data analysis or primary data collection projects. So the point is that it will vary from year to year. You can access the list of projects in the link within the email that I've actually sent to you. On the project's choice list, you'll notice that each project title is listed together with a short description of what the project is about. To help you make an informed choice, we have also included the possible stages of the project where a larger amount of effort will be used. Now this will vary depending on the type of project. Some project is much more heavier going in the data collection stage, and some projects are much more heavier going in the writing stage. The main point to take away is that no project is the same. Although we try to ensure parity of supervision experience, this is sometimes not entirely possible because the nature of every project is also different. Just like every person is slightly different to each other, so projects will behave in a similar manner. The main consideration when choosing the project is whether you can tolerate the topic and live with it for the next 3 months. We've deliberately not provided you with the supervisor's name so that you can choose your project according to interest and not personality. However, I have a feeling that once you see the projects list, you can likely guess which lecturer came up with that particular project. Once you've decided which project you're interested in, the next step is for you to choose the projects of your preference. Now you choose the projects by choice preference. That means that the project of your first choice should be ranked as 1, and your second preference should be ranked as 2, and so on and so forth until all the choices have been exhausted. You should rank your preferences for all the projects. What this will do is it will help us in allocating you a project if you are unable to get your top project choices, which we hope will not happen. However, we can't guarantee that you'll get your top choices, as this is really dependent on the choice patterns of your classmates as well. And of course, this changes every year depending on who is in the class. If you haven't provided a choice or used your full spread of project choices, then the module team will allocate the project on your behalf. Your choice is recorded using a Microsoft form where each project is given an alphabet and a short title. So what you should be doing is rank each project by providing a number. And before you submit, do remember to check your choice numbers in order to avoid any errors. So the deadline for submitting your choices is indicated in the message that was sent to you. After all of you have submitted your choices, we then spend some time attempting to allocate the project to students in groups of 4 to 6 students per group. And we'll then inform you of your project and supervisor allocation before the start of your module. This will depend on the trimester on which your dissertation module starts. After which, you should contact all of the other students in your project group and nominate someone to email your supervisor for arranging your first meeting. So for now, that's all you need to do, and as we go on to the next stages of the dissertation itself, we will provide you with more information. And I hope that this video is helpful in explaining the process of actually allocating the project choices for you. So good luck and happy choosing.